Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy silica gel. First, let's distinguish between the two primary types, indicating and non-indicating. Indicating silica gel is fantastic because it changes color, typically from orange to green or blue to pink, letting you know when it's absorbed its maximum moisture. Non-indicating gel, while effective, doesn't offer this visual cue, so you'll need to track its usage more closely. Next, consider the form and packaging. You can find silica gel as small beads, larger crystals, or conveniently pre-packaged in breathable packets or sturdy canisters. Packets are great for small, enclosed spaces, while canisters are often reusable and suitable for larger areas. Think about your specific application to choose the most practical option for effective moisture control. Now, let's talk about quantity. It's crucial to use enough silica gel for effective moisture absorption. A good rule of thumb is to use approximately 5 grams of silica gel for every 1 cubic foot of enclosed space. For very humid environments or larger volumes, you might need to increase this amount. Always consider the item's sensitivity to moisture and the ambient humidity levels. Finally, let's discuss reactivation and storage. Most silica gel is reusable. You can reactivate it by heating it in an oven at about 250 degrees Fahrenheit for a few hours, or briefly in a microwave. Once reactivated, or if storing unused gel, always keep it in an airtight container. This prevents it from absorbing moisture from the air, ensuring it's ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.